Is your business truly secure against modern digital threats? Think about it for a second. When you run an unmanaged website, you're essentially leaving your front door wide open. You're dealing with the immense stress of sudden downtime, the constant lurking risk of security breaches, and man, those hidden exhausting costs of trying to play the role of your own IT department. Managing software updates, constantly checking for malware, stressing over load speeds, it completely drains your time and your budget.
So the problem is pretty clear, right? It's kind of like a tale of two websites. On one side, you have a standard hosting setup. You rent the server space, but you are entirely on your own the second something breaks. It's vulnerable, it's completely unmanaged, and frankly, it's a massive liability for your business. On the other side, you have the Astra managed solution. We're talking proactive, rock-solid, all-inclusive maintenance. Astra doesn't just hand you server space and walk away. They give you a fully monitored, continuously optimized digital environment. They literally do all the heavy lifting so you can actually get back to doing what you do best, running your business.